Hey, my name's Dylan. I work at Crossroads Automotive in Noonan. This is a 2017 Ford Escape. It came in, it was running really bad and had a bunch of check engine codes in it. We ended up diagnosing it. It did need a new motor. In doing the repairs, the technician kind of found the transmission, when it started to drain the fluid came out basically black like motor oil, and it's supposed to be red. This is a 6F35 transmission in this car. Kind of a problematic transmission in these front wheel drive Fords. So we did go ahead and advise the customer that, fluid that came out did not look good, and we didn't know the condition of the transmission when it came in because the car didn't exactly run and drive under its own power with a bad motor. So we're actually doing an engine and a transmission swap in this vehicle for this customer. This is a transverse motor setup, which just means the engine and transmission sit in it this way instead of front to back. This is the engine, that's the transmission. You got the wiring harness and all the other vacuum harness and everything. It's held in by the subframe, so you do have to take the steering components and the subframe out just to be able to even get this out of the vehicle. There's a lot of equipment and lifting and a lot of bolts and nuts involved in this repair. Come to Crossroads for all your automotive needs. We do brakes and tires all the way to engines and transmissions.